Hey, I'm Joe from Protel, and today we've got the new MBOX from Avid, the first in over 10 years. The latest iteration, the MBOX Studio, comes with a huge range of inputs. Let's take a look at the box. This latest iteration, the MBOX Studio, has a ridiculous amount of I/O with 21 inputs and 22 outputs. Plus, it comes with heaps of software, including year-long subscriptions to Protel Studio and Sibelius Artist, plus a range of plugins. Alright, so let's get into the box. As you open it up, you'll notice that not only does it come with a USB-C cable, but also a USB-A adapter. And as you take it out, you can feel just how solid the build is. Now, check out all the I/O. We've got 4 combo inputs with switchable instrument inputs on the front panel, 2 extra line inputs, 2 effects loops with switchable line and high Z level outputs, a front panel high Z output for reamping, a built-in talkback mic, main and alt stereo outputs, 2 independent headphone outputs, SPDIF in and out, optical in and out, and 2 expression pedal jacks. One particularly cool feature of the MBOX is that due to having 60 decibels of digital gain on the line inputs, with 4 jack to XLR adapters, you can connect an additional 4 dynamic mics. So along with all that I/O, the MBOX Studio also has 4 RGB assignable action buttons, Bluetooth for checking mixes in your car or connecting your phone, and a built-in guitar tuner. Let's take a look at the Control app, a free piece of software allowing you to control all aspects of the MBOX Studio. The onboard Avid effects include a 4-band EQ, delay and reverb. You can also assign various functions for when the action buttons are pressed or pressed and held, adjust expression pedal settings, set up and recall presets, change mix modes and more. So that's the MBOX Studio. As you can see, it packs a huge amount of features into it and is the ideal centerpiece for your studio. If you want any further information, give us a call, 0800 Protel, and one of our audio specialists will help you out. Or head to our website, protel.co.nz.